Hey, good morning, guys. Miss Richardson here. Today is the third day that we've been doing videos. I am really happy at the number of people who've been watching the videos, but I would like for you to participate a little more. I've gotten a few comments, emails, and other ways that you guys have told me. So that's good, but I want more people to be doing that. Let's go back and review what we've done this week because today I told you I would show you how to write the date correctly in the United States. And to do that, we need to know our days of the week as well as the months of the year. So let's go back and review our days. Okay, sorry. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay. And our months of the year, there are 12. Okay. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Actually, we are in a new month today. We are in April. Yesterday was March 31st, but today is April 1st. Okay, so we're in a new month. And I'm going to show you the paper. I'm going to take pictures of these posters that I make, and I will put them on my blog so you can go back and refer to them instead of having to watch the video over and over. Okay, so here's how to write the date in the United States. Okay, first we start with the day. If we write it with words, we start with the day. So like today is Wednesday. See how I have day here? Okay, then it's April, the month, and then we go with the date or the number. Okay, so today is April 1st. Wednesday, April 1st. Or a lot of people prefer to write it like this, just numbers. So I know in a lot of countries you put the day first. We do not. We put the month. So when you're writing the date, you need to put the month first. That's why some people's birthdays are incorrect in the system because you wrote the date how you do in your home country. But in the United States, we start with the month. Okay? So April, if we go back and look at our months of the year, April, see, is number 4 right here. Okay, so number 4, and that's why I have 4 first. Okay, then you put the date, the number. So today is April 1st, 2020. When we write it in the number form, we don't include the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We don't include that when we write it in number form. But it goes month, then the number, then the year. Your number, this is the actual date. Okay? I put some vocabulary at the bottom. Orange is Spanish, blue is Vietnamese, and green is Turkish. So that can help you with the word month, day, and date. Okay? So month, day, and date. Okay. So today there really isn't an assignment. I just wanted to give you a lesson. And hopefully by Friday you will have gotten to me your birthday in sentence form. My birthday is this. My birthday is, And I also want to know your favorite day of the week. What is your favorite day? Okay, what is your favorite day? All right. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can comment below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my videos every day.